Hey everyone, so right now I'm going to show you some QR codes and some AR triggers I did after reading our textbook. So the first one I'm going to show you is QR codes. QR code makers are free. You can find a lot of them online. I used flowcode.com, and I will go to my scanner app right here, QR scanner. There's a bunch of scanner apps too on the store, and you kind of see here's my page that I created. So I wanted to focus on some math, geometry, reflection, rotations, translations, using QR codes. This QR code will take you straight to making QR codes. So we will just go back. And then here are the standards I used. Minnesota Geometry Standard, Geometry Measurement. Use translations, reflections, and rotations to establish congruency and understand symmetries. So I use 4.3.3.1, apply translation, slides to figures. 4.3.3.2, apply reflections to figures by reflecting over vertical or horizontal lines and relate reflections to a line of symmetry. And 4.3.3.3, apply rotation turns of 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise. So I didn't make any learning goals, but one activity I would have kids do is write their own definition and draw a picture of it. I would also allow them to use graph paper, and then by supplying this, they can always check the answer by watching or scan the QR code and then watching the videos. I added 3 shorts that explain
Translation describes
rotation.
one way a geometric shape can move on a coordinate plane. When you translate a shape, it's like you make an exact copy of it and slide the copy to another spot. The shape
Something really simple so they can watch it to get a deeper understanding. And then right now I'm going to show you my AR trigger. So I had difficulties with that, trying to find an app that would let me create a image as the trigger, but instead it kind of gave me a QR code. And so I printed off a piece of paper because I do not have any anchor chart paper, but my anchor chart would probably look something like this, where we have the y-axis and x-axis, and just having what translation means, and just kind of example of it. And if kids wanted to see the example, they would have to download Assemble, the app that allows you to scan it, and then my AR pops up, and you can change the size. And there is the example of a translation. You can see I wrote the points on there, and then after being translated. So those are my QR codes and AR triggers. I hope everyone enjoyed. I look forward to seeing everybody else's AR triggers, because I definitely not messed up, but struggled creating it. So thank you.